Welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the fascinating 2019 5 pence coin, one of the most familiar coins in everyday circulation in the United Kingdom. Whether you're a collector, history enthusiast, or simply curious about world coins, this detailed guide is for you. The 2019 5 pence coin is an official, circulating coin of the United Kingdom and is widely used for small cash transactions. The coin has a face value of 5 pence, which is equal to 5/100ths of £1 sterling. The modern 5 pence coin was introduced in its smaller size in 1990 to make it more convenient for everyday use. The reverse side of the 2019 coin features a section of the Royal Shield design. This design was created by British designer Matthew Dent as part of the redesign of United Kingdom coinage introduced in 2008. When all the circulating UK coins are placed together, their reverse designs combine to form the complete Royal Shield. The 5 pence coin displays the centre portion of the shield, creating a unique connection with the other denominations. The obverse side of the coin features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. The portrait used in 2019 was created by engraver Jody Clark and was introduced in 2015. This portrait shows the Queen wearing the royal diamond diadem, one of the most famous crowns associated with British monarchy. The inscription around the portrait includes the monarch's name and official titles in abbreviated Latin form. The year 2019 appears on the obverse side, identifying the year the coin was issued. The coin is produced by the Royal Mint. The 2019 5 pence coin is made from nickel-plated steel. Its steel core gives the coin magnetic properties that assist with modern vending and payment machines. The coin has a diameter of approximately 18.0 millimeters. It weighs approximately 3.25 grams. The edge of the coin is smooth and plain. Millions of 2019 5 pence coins were struck for circulation throughout the United Kingdom. Most circulated examples are worth only their face value because they were produced in large numbers. Coins in uncirculated condition are generally more attractive to collectors. Brilliant uncirculated examples often retain their original mint shine and sharp design details. Special collector sets released by the Royal Mint contain carefully preserved versions of the 2019 coin. Professional grading services assess coins according to internationally recognized standards of preservation and quality. Some collectors search for minting errors and unusual varieties that may increase a coin's rarity and value. Proper storage in protective holders or albums helps maintain the coin's original appearance. Experts generally recommend avoiding cleaning collectible coins because cleaning can reduce their numismatic value. The 2019 5 pence coin represents both modern British coinage and the continuing history of the pound sterling.